Lesson 3. The ghost in the machine. How do we unpack bias and discrimination AI systems? A young woman applies for a credit card. She's declined. Her male colleague, same salary, same history, approved. A facial recognition system fails to identify a young mixed-race teenager, but matches every white face. The algorithm isn't broken. It was working as it was trained to do. And that's the problem. AI systems don't invent their own idea of fairness. They learn from the data we give them, which means they absorb our histories, our patterns, and our flaws. Bias doesn't enter in through intention. It enters through omission. Training data that is unrepresentative, systems that aren't tested across different groups, and decisions where no human ever reviews the outcome. This isn't just a technical issue, it's a systematic one. And when unchecked, biased AI doesn't just make mistakes, it amplifies injustice, quietly, invisibly, and at scale. We don't need perfect data to build ethical AI. We do need responsible leaders. And that means designing for equality, testing for bias, and putting humans back at the heart, not just at the end, but in the very center. Because if we treat fairness as a footnote, then discrimination becomes the default. Every model carries a worldview. The big question is, whose? And if leaders can't see the bias, then they aren't able to challenge it, or most importantly, change it. So here's 4 questions I would ask if I was in your boardroom. Have we defined what fairness means in the context of our AI systems? Are diverse voices involved in the AI development, the testing, and the oversight? And do we audit for bias across training data, algorithms, and outcomes? And finally, can we really defend our AI decisions against accusations of discrimination? Thank you for spending the time on this very critical topic. The question really isn't, is AI ready? It's whether our leadership teams are. And in the next episode, we'll ask, what happens when AI goes rogue and no one can be held accountable? So click subscribe to follow the series and lead with clarity in a world full of complexity.